Hi, welcome. These are just some of the mini art figures I've now completed. As you can see, these two, I don't know if you can see it, but they're exactly the same apart from the arms and the helmet slightly different. So on the arms, as you can see from this is the only difference. And of course the shields are different, but the arms you do get both sets for this one and this one on the same sprue. And of course the base you get are the same for all mini art figures. I have done a different one in the past and it's exactly the same stand. As for the other two, again they're almost identical apart from the arms, as this one is carrying the spear and this one the sword and carrying his shield. And the only difference is the way you paint them. I did have to make the straps because it's not actually moulded on the figures. You can see the legs are the same, and you can see from this of how they are the same. The other thing, the helmets are the same, just painted different, and the tops of course are different. This one showed the helmet half on, half off, and to me I should have put it on. It looks like it just won't fit over his head. Because on this one, the other part you leave off, which has got a costume, this is the hair for this one. So you can see it's got some hair at the back. This one's got a little bit, but this one's got more on the side, even though you can't see it. So there they are. They're the MiniArt 1 to 16 historical figure series. It's just something a bit different to what I normally do, which is normally military vehicles, aircraft and that type, and it was just something different to do. Well, thank you for watching, and it'd be interesting if anyone else has made any other type of mini art figures.